What's growing on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here with another quick garden tip. Today I'm going to share with you what you can do to prepare for the spring garden season when it looks like this outside. One of the first things you can do is perform a seed audit. Here I have organized my seeds into envelopes. I will share with you how to be organized in your seeds in an upcoming video, probably in a month or two. Stay subscribed if you want to see that, and also I'll show you how to perform a seed audit, which is basically going through your seeds, seeing what you will be growing, if you need to buy that seed or not. As you can see, I have them again enveloped, which you can do is take your seeds out. As you can see, I have some jalapeno seeds, some sweet pepper roulette seeds, and some shishito pepper seeds. You can go through and count your seeds, and then just see what you might want to grow. Plan ahead for that, of course, since it's still winter. That's one of the things that you can do. Maybe also go through and look at the dates, see if they're too old, and I will go through that in a more detailed seed audit video. So if you want to see that, definitely subscribe, and I will show you that in the future. Now, on to the next step, which you can take when it is just snowing outside. Another thing you can do is plan your garden for next year. Just plan on what you're planting, whether it's flowers, fruits or vegetables, maybe upcoming ideas that you might have. As you can see here, you can do this on a spreadsheet like Excel, or you can use just even a sheet of paper, whatever you prefer. So you can see, you can just organize the way you plan on starting your seeds. You can always change this depending on what you actually end up buying. You can also plan out your raised garden beds. Maybe if you have multiple beds, you can name them like your strawberry bed or your herb bed, your tomato bed, your pepper bed, etc. And then you can possibly plan out what you might be growing in those beds. Of course, spreadsheets are more organized at that, especially as you scale up. You don't have to keep writing in everything. And then maybe just plan on what you're going to buy. Just seeds to get, seeds you plan on buying. You can see I have some seeds that I plan on buying from Baker Creek right here as soon as I get my catalog. And then just think about what you might want to grow. Think about any tasks you need to do. Maybe you're building a raised bed. Maybe you need to get the materials for that. When will you do that? Just preparation is one of the best keys to success in gardening. As long as you can prepare just even minimally, even just looking at what seeds you're buying or thinking about buying, you will be better off than trying to go out on a whim or panicking or falling behind. That's the last thing you want to deal with as a gardener, because you really want to enjoy it. And plus, it gives you something to do during the winter season, especially if you live in these northern climates, zone 6 and below, where you really get that winter. There's certainly other things you can do. You can grow mushrooms inside, indoors if you really wanted to. And then there's other plants you can grow when it's cold still. So this isn't the only thing you can do, but it certainly is a great start to do. So I hope you liked this video and got something out of it. Just a simple video of preparing what you can do in the spring. So until I see you in the next video, happy growing.